It's my little shoulder kitten. My little man.
Why never have I ever like never have I ever watched porn without any sound.
That's a release. It's an automatic release. God gives you that. Good morning, Philippines!
Hi guys, good morning! Good morning guys. Oh no, hindi na good morning pala. Good afternoon, 12:14 na ng hapon ng udto. So, ito lang yung susuotin ko para naman matabunan yung ano ko, mukha. At saka maglagay din ako ng moisturizer. Moisturizer. Ano ito guys? Sunblock. Ano moisturizer na awad? Sunblock. Para hindi maano yung skin ko guys. Kasi as in talaga guys. Ito yung Neutrogena na ginagamit ko na Triple It's Repair Moisturizer with sunscreen. And it's with the, it's very small lang naman guys. Maliit lang yung SPF niya, 25. But anyway, lalabas lang ako and magkita-kits tayo. Oh, anyway, si Tami kaninang umaga guys, umalis siya guys. Sobrang aga niyang umalis guys, as in. So, sobrang agang umalis ni Tami. Umalis siya dito 4 o'clock. Sabi pa niya, aalis ako 3 o'clock ng umaga. Aga daw, sabi. And then, naano siya, parang natapol o parang he doesn't wanna go, he just wanna go to sleep. But he left like 4 something in the morning para magtrabaho. Wala sana siyang trabaho ngayon, pero wala kasing makatrabaho dun sa tinatrabahoan niya. So, siya yung pumalit. And so, bukas is holiday, July 4th, just tomorrow. And happy holiday. Tami, walang trabaho. It's a holiday. Usually, sila si Tami kapag yung mga holiday na yan, may trabaho sila. Pero because it's 4th of July, wala silang trabaho. Ang wala lang trabaho na ano nila holiday is 4th of July and December. Christmas. Yun lang ang pinaano nila. Yung walang trabaho talaga. Ako maglilinis lang ako sa labas. And then let's get started guys. Hindi ko kayo madala guys. Sana may GoPro guys. Kasi madadala ko kayo talaga pag may GoPro. Ikabit ko lang kayo doon ha. Sabay-sabay tayo. Pero kasing walang so mahirap na dapat hindi na ako mag-film para lang parang yun sa maglilinis sa labas. Kung andito yung asawa ko, siya yung pero ako lang mag-isa. And gagawin ko siya guys dahil mamaya guys kapag andito ng asawa ko, gagawin pa niya. Siya ba mapagod at nakabukas holiday. Hello guys! Good evening. I think it's already 5, 6? Yeah, 6 o'clock na. Hala, ang init guys. Init kaayo. Ang sobrang init dito sa closet. Wala kasing walang dito sa closet ko, walang air conditioning. Sobrang itim ng mukha ko in person, guys. Yung mukha ko in real life is itim dahil sa init. Kasi sobrang init sa labas kanina. 'Di ba nagkakat ako ng grass? Hindi ko nga natapos, guys, kasi ang lang is yung ko, ang natapos ko lang pala is sa front house at saka sa side yung boundary ng kapitbahay namin dun. Inuna ko yung sa boundary kasi naglilinis sila at saka sa amin mataas na. So, yung sa front, namin okay na. So, bukas na lang yun yung sa labas sa likuran. At saka, di ba nagtatrabaho yung asawa ko? Nakarating na guys. With somebody. Look at it. With somebody I know.
A little shoulder cat. Shoulder kitten.
Talk about this cat.
It's my little shoulder kitten. My little man.
Why you love her? Him, her.
Because he's very loving.
He's a him, her. Guys, I want him to be a bakla. I want him to be a gay. I want him to have a pink color. At saka bumili din si Tami ng salmon. Salmon guys, ang laki ng salmon guys. Ang dami pa namang leftover dito, pero bumili talaga siya guys. Ang daming leftover guys. May pork, may steak, may chicken. Bumili din siya ng salad. Ang dami, alam nyo, binili niya. wala na kaming lugar sa freezer.
Wait, what is there? I hear baggies. That means food for me.
Hala, they're hungry, hon. What time is it?
You want some tuna fish?
No, they doesn't like tuna
Who
more.
likes tuna?
No. Give the turkey, hon, that you bought. They like it so much, and you buy 3 packs.
With a very thin skin pack.
Yeah, but it's gonna go bad quick, you know. So, bumili din siya ng salad at saka, Han, why you get this one? You like the other one, so why you get different one?
Because it's small, we can get rid of it. 1, 2, 3.
Hala guys, umulan guys, nagbagyo guys, di ba sobrang init? As in init, like 90 degrees, feel like 100. Now, ngayon, nagbagyo, nagulan. Masaya yung grass kasi sobrang init kasi. Yun. What? No, we need to feed them.
Yes, I give it a food.
Yeah, but we're gonna feed them with their food. Or you want to just give that? Han? You wanna just give that?
Who wants to take it?
Okay, just give that then for dinner for them. But the dog, I will give them their food because, you know. Okay.
You can smell it, though.
That's a cat food, guys. It's not our food. So, and no matter what, he's spoiled anyway. So. Han, what are you doing? Han, that's not good. Han, you spoiled that little man so much, Han.
He's not even interested.
Spoiled little brat. Naku talaga. What a good father, guys. Look. He's a good papa. To his kids. He just get home from work, guys, anyway. Han, it's raining really hard, Han.
Rain's gonna break the temperature tomorrow. It's only gonna get to 88 degrees.
What does that mean?
It's not gonna get 90. It's supposed to be 88.
Is that nice?
88 is still pretty freaking hot.
That's nice for me. Dito sa labas si Tami, guys. Ang ganda ng ulan, oy. Straight yung ulan. What are you smiling at? She's smiling, guys. Look at him. Look, tignan nyo, guys, oh, ang ulan. Ang ganda ng ulan, guys. Hindi siya yung hangin-hangin talaga. Straight yung ulan, oh.
I guess I got really bad.
What happened?
Oh, the sun went down.
What happened?
Yeah, I want to change the wall for.
Guys, i-additional lang namin ito, guys, si Tami, guys. Naisipan ko lang, guys. Okay, it's a never have I ever, like, okay, question number 1. Never have I ever laughed so hard that I peed in my pants. Be honest, sir. Be honest, sir.
Never have I ever laughed so hard that I peed in my pants.
Be honest, sir.
I probably have.
I have, guys. Yes, I have.
So then I can't say never have I ever.
Okay. No, I have or I don't have. Okay, next question. Never have I ever faked favors to miss school.
Faked who?
Favor.
Faked a favor?
Yeah. To miss the school. To miss school, you know.
Faked a favor to miss school.
Yeah.
A fever.
Fever.
I never ever faked a fever to miss school.
No?
People put a thermometer in your mouth and check you.
I don't remember.
If you're little, they put a thermometer in your butt and check you.
I don't remember, guys. I think I did when I was in high school.
I'm sure.
Because it's you in the Philippines, we do a letter, and then you let your classmate to bring it to your to your advisor. I think I did. I don't remember, but I think I did that kind of. Never have I ever secretly eaten my baby's baby food, but we don't have a baby. Did you do even baby, like any babies?
Yeah, I was around a lot of babies, but never have I ever secretly eaten baby food. You would eat it to get them to eat it. Like, yum, 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 yum. Not in secret.
I did.
You did what?
Eating a baby food secretly.
Oh.
When you know, in the Philippines, always hungry. I always wanna eat the baby food because it's so good, especially
Because
milk.
they always have food for the baby.
Especially milk. Man, don't. Wow. Never have I ever thought of being a student of Hogwarts.
Hogwarts?
What is the Hogwarts?
Harry Potter.
Never
Magic
have
school.
I ever
Magic
thought.
school. You did.
I
You
thought,
did.
No. I don't even
You,
watch.
you always wish you had magic. Who you kidding?
How about you? Did you imagine or did you thought?
No.
Okay. The crush on my teacher.
Yes.
Yes. Yes, guys. You do, hun.
Yes. Everybody did.
Oh my god, yes. It's
Find me somebody who didn't. Then they had some really ugly looking teachers.
I was in high school, guys. You know, you explain it to me. What grade are you? Do you remember?
I don't remember what grade it was.
I was 3rd year, guys. Never have I ever sung a song and the background music had stopped. Yes. I think, yes.
I don't think I ever have. Pretty much
Never had I ever. What does this mean? Okay.
It's like you're singing and all of a sudden the music stops and you keep singing.
Yeah, I do that.
I don't think I would do that.
I do that. Okay, never have I ever wanted to be reborn as a dog.
I did.
No, I don't have.
It's a dog's life. They get the life. People take care of them. They feed them all the time. They play with them. They love them all the time. What the hell?
I don't.
What could be worse than that?
Yeah. Okay,
What
never
would be better
have.
than that?
Never have I ever wished to be a superhero. I have.
You always do.
How about you?
Occasionally.
How I do. I wish I can hear people. There's something happening over there and can just fly like a superwoman. What is that? Wonder Woman?
Wonder Woman?
No.
Supergirl?
Supergirl. Yeah, I wish. Hala, it's low but quick. Okay. Never have I ever cried watching a movie. Always me. If it's you know me, guys. I cry, guys. If it's like you.
Yeah, I guess when I was young. Anytime an animal died in the movie.
Animal.
Yeah.
Have I ever wanted to read my spouse mind while she said I love you? Yeah, I have. Oh no, what does that mean? Never have I wanted. Yeah, I have.
I haven't.
Like I always want to read your mind.
I don't want to. It'd be in Tagalog. I wouldn't understand any of those points.
You're so funny. You're so funny. Never have ever traveled alone. In the Philippines. Yeah, I did travel alone. How about you? Yeah,
Yes.
No, you didn't. And you with your friend.
No, I traveled alone last time. What's with these are from a little dead flat. Nice.
Okay. Say.
Never have I ever wanted a friggin' bug in my drink.
This one, guys, it's a dirty adult plus. Okay. Never have I ever kissed a stranger.
Of course I have. So have you. Who you kidding?
No, strangers, no.
Hon. They're only a stranger until you kiss them. Then they're not a stranger anymore.
So, you kiss a person that you don't know?
Yeah.
You just kiss them?
Hmm?
Tommy, you still do that?
No, you're saying never have I ever.
I never.
Well, you did. You're just lying to me.
No, I'm not like you, chick boy.
You're not a cheap boy? Okay.
Never have I ever double dated. No.
Have I ever double dated?
Yeah, you did. Be honest.
You know what a double date is, right?
Yeah, like you have another.
No, double date is when you go out with somebody and your friend brings somebody and you go out together. 2 couples will go out together.
Oh, I did.
Double
I did
date.
my cousin. Never have I ever watched porn without any sound.
I have.
You did, Anthony. You did. Guys, you did, huh?
Yes.
When?
I don't know. Fine.
Always.
Porn.
Always, huh?
Yeah, always.
Oh, you did it whenever we were together.
Hun. What? Listen.
Guys, of course I want to know now. Did you do it when we were together?
Go on.
Never have I ever taken a sex selfie. No.
Sex who?
Selfie, like selfie.
Yeah, no.
No. Never have I ever slept nude.
Yes. The fan gives her farts. I got it.
Never have I ever said I love you for the sake of sex. No.
Mm-mm.
No. Never have I ever had a wet dream. Yeah.
Everybody has.
Yeah. A wet dream. A wet dream. A wet dream.
That's a release. It's an automatic release. God gives you that.
Automatic release.
It is.
Honey, wait, it's a wet dream. Like suddenly, why is this happening?
It's a wet dream. Because when you got too much pent up.
It just came out.
Yeah, it's just a dream to get it out. It's nature. Get used to it.
Guys. Okay, guys, that's our naughty, dirty, have I ever have. Never have? Never
Never
have?
have I ever.
Yeah. So yeah, I will tag, guys. I'm going to tag my friend Mia Sandoval and John. I don't know if you don't like this naughty thing, Mia and John. You can find, you know, there's a lot in the internet. Yeah. And also, there is one blogger that I want to do. Tag. Smile Lyra. Hi sis, if you are watching, I don't know if you are, I don't think so you're watching this video, pero itatag ko ikaw. Si Sis Mia Sandoval and si Smile Lyra. Yes, tag ko kayong dalawa. Kung ayaw niyo mga dirty, hanap kayo ng hanap kayo ng ibang question. Marami sa internet. So, yan. Thank you guys. Salamat sa panonood. Say thank you.
Hey guys.
Tulog yung asawa ko, guys. Tulog. Pagod yan. Maaga yan nagising kasi. And ito, sobrang annoying ito. Yeah, annoying. Especially that one right there. Hey, Roxy. You're annoying? Are you annoying? Hindi ko pala natapos dito, guys. Oh. Hala, nag-fog man itong camera ko, guys.
Neapolitan.
Ha?
Neapolitan ice cream sandwich.
Ice cream sandwich. And Dimples want to join you. No. It's good, guys. Tasty. Yeah. Waiting for your ice cream. Dada, your shoes, you have to take off your socks, huh? Huh? It's wet from outside, I know, and then you never take it off. Talk to her, hon. Edit po tayo ng video, guys, kasi tinatapusin ko lang tong ini-edit ko, and andun si Tami sa baba. No, you have to go downstairs. You guys have to go downstairs. Downstairs. You need to go downstairs. No, over here. No sleep in here. Why Dada bring you up here? Why he bring you guys up here? Why you bring them in here?
I didn't bring them in here. They brought me in here.
We're gonna bring them back down. And I just downed it. That's it. It's freezing cold.
I'm sweating to death.
Oh God.
She wouldn't hear it. I gave them their bones to go night night. So she took her bone. I gave her hers. She went and walked away. I said, what? And I gave it to her. She grabbed it, like snatched it,
Yeah.
threw it on the floor, jumped up to my face, then ran up the stairs.
Yeah.
Like, you're not tricking me.
Yeah, she knows, and nighttime, she knows. She knows, she doesn't care about what treats, bones, whatever.
I know.
She just wants to be here with us. And you did it again, and this is not good.
I need to kill that camera and get dressed.
She's getting to get naked, guys. You can get naked like that. No camera for you. So, we're gonna bring them down, Han.
No, I'll leave that to you.
What do you
If you
want?
don't make them feel bad, I'll leave it up to you to do that.
What? Are we gonna go down now?
I'm not making them feel bad.
Yeah, and then we're gonna sleep like this all the time, Han? With the dog all the time? Roxy, you go downstairs. You go downstairs, Misty, down, night, over downstairs, and you go out this way.
They feel like they're being punished when I'm here.
But I don't bring them here.
Yes, you do.
No. Nighttime, no. Okay, guys. We're gonna go night, guys. Say good night, hon.
Hi, guys.
He's looking at the camera sideways, guys. Like, he doesn't want to be in the camera. Oh, my God. Good night, guys. I will see you guys tomorrow. Say night, Rex. Night. Bye. Wait.